right.
I'm so excited. This is my favourite thing.
Wait.
Oh my god!
Okay.
Ow! My heart!
I can't breathe! Oh my god!
Adam! Oh, one more time.
Okay.
No, go right to...
Alright.
Right, I want the suspense. I want the
Okay,
suspense of them walking and then...
Wait.
I'm dead.
We're already halfway through the first one. This is already top quality. Thanks, guys.
More of the